This is exercise 81. Question 4. Okay, so you have 6 numbers. Okay, so what you do is that the mean is equal to, you add up everything, so it will be x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4, then plus x plus 5, everything divided by how many? Divided by 6. Excellent. Okay, so now you work everything out in algebra. How many x do you have? 6x. So the numbers, when you add up, what do you get? 15 over 6. Is that okay? So end up you will have x plus 15 over 6, which is x plus 2.5. Yeah, so you have 5 over 2. Okay, so you can also simplify it as x plus 2.5, either way. Can do? Okay, you lah. Can. So on the board. Okay, so the mean score of a class of 40 students in a test was 63. Okay, so you can find what is the total marks scored by all the students. This part understand? So the total will be the mean, which is 63 times 40. Okay, 63 plus 40, can you help me times 40? Can you help me to key? 2520. Okay, next. 12 students scored below 50. Okay, so what is the minimum mean score of the students who scored 50 and above? Okay, so 12 students scored below 50. Okay, wait. So in order to find the minimum score for those who pass, right, then the 12 students who failed must score the highest possible marks, which is 49. So the 12 students total marks, it has to be 49 multiplied by 12. What do you get?
588.
So 588. So the remaining marks will be 2520 minus 588. 1932. Okay, 1932. Okay, so 1932 is being shared among the remaining 28 students, right? Okay, so 40 minus 12, we have 28. So the mean for the remaining 28 students, it has to be 1932 divided by 28. So 69 marks is the mean for those who pass. Understand? Okay, you do. So now you have y is directly proportional to x.
Yeah.
Okay, y directly proportional to x, you write it this way. Y vary with x. Okay, so we need to replace this vary sign into an equal sign so we can work it out. Okay, so when we replace this with an equal sign, we have to add in a constant. Usually we say that this is k. So this number we will not change. It's a constant.
Okay.
Can? Okay, so now usually we have one set of data lah. So in this case we have y is equal to 7, x is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. So we given one set of x and y, right, we can find k.
Yeah.
Okay, so we sub it in. This is 7 is equal to k times 1. So we find that our k is equal to 7. Like that can?
Yeah.
Okay, so the next thing we have to write down the equation with the constant found. So y is equal to 7x. Okay, so with this equation you can solve for when x is equal to 3. What is y equal to? When x is equal to 4, what is y equal to?
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
So this is how you present your answer. So what is important is this. Write down this. Y vary with x. Change it to equal sign. Introduce the k. Then put in a pair of x and y value. Find k. Then once you have the equation out, then you can find anything.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the way to present. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you try 46. Okay, so now I have 20 numbers. Okay, we have 20 numbers. Okay, so the mean is x. Okay, so the total out of the 20 numbers, total for the 20 numbers is 20x. Did I understand? Okay, then I have, it says that the mean of the lowest 5 number is x minus 4. So the first 5 numbers, okay, the mean is x minus 4. So the total of the lowest 5 number, it will be x minus 4 times 5. That will give us 5x minus 20. This part understand? Then how about the highest 5 numbers? Okay, the highest 5 numbers. I also have 5 numbers here. The mean is x plus 6. Okay, so the total of the last 5 number, it will be x plus 6 times 5. So 5x plus 30. Are that okay? So what is the total of the 10 numbers in the middle? Down here in the middle. Okay, the middle 10. Total of the middle 10 number, it will be just the total, which is 20x, minus of the first 5 number total, minus of the last 5 number. Understand? So it will be minus 5x minus 20 and minus 5x plus 30. So 20x minus 5x minus 5x, 10x. Then I have this minus 20. It becomes plus 20. Plus 20 minus 30?
50.
No lah, plus, this one is minus is plus 20, right? Plus 20 minus 30.
Minus 10.
minus 10. Okay, so what is the mean? What is the mean of the middle 10 number? It will be just 10x minus 10 over 10. So your answer should be just x minus 1. Okay?